Trick!
Good morning, America! You would never believe it, but we have walking lamps. We have a page on the site to show you.
I'm here at the race. It's really intense. Go, Larry!
Yeah. Other breaking. Tatum eats pants. Yeah, I said it. She's eating pants. I'm here at the scene. This stuff's crazy. She's eating pants. Oh, she took my pants. Give me my pants. Give me my pants.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
I know.
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 You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
No boy.
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 You're a jerk. 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 Jerk.
I'm so cocky with it. Got my eyes shut, closed like Rocky hit it. Got your girl on my swag, she loving them jerking songs like a new iPod. Just touch it and turn her on, and when the bass start beating in the waist, I'm beating. Done, I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in first. I said, it's none of your concern, and she yelled,
You're a jerk.
so I walked out the door, called Big J. Told him it's a function, he said, I'm on my way. We put up to the party, I took off my shirt and got geeked up, everybody jerking. We was jerking to the right, jerking to the left, and she popped it out of nowhere, she was still half dressed. She like, for real jerk,